On July 18th, so last Thursday, Thunder Bay Police uniform officers took a report from a male that had described an event as being abducted. So when he provided a formal statement to the police and a further investigation was conducted, it was thorough, and that involved the Criminal Investigation Branch and a member of our Aboriginal Liaison Unit. It was determined that the statement that was provided was a false statement by that same male, and that he reported an offense when an offense did not occur. When a report is put in about something so serious in our community as an abduction and the details that were in that statement, it was promptly worked on, as is expected, and a lot of investigation went into that report. So when we did the initial media release last week, the purpose of that release was not only for to ask for witnesses to come forward, to gather evidence, video footage, those types of things, because the report came in that it had happened on Arthur Street. So from that, of course, it was worked on. But the other message for the media release was also for public safety notification. Because of that concern and because of the basis of that type of investigation, it gets turned into what's deemed as a major case to be investigated by police promptly. So with that being done, and then it was determined that a false statement and the event allegedly has not happened, there's been a criminal charge now that's been notified of the male. And so Rudy Sugashi, 29 years of Kanjikam, has been charged with under the Criminal Code for public mischief, and his court date is August 23rd, 2019.
You said based on the severity, this was determined to be a major case. What exactly does that distinction mean, and what kind of resources are devoted to that?
So the criteria for that, which falls under major case management for Ontario, where information is provided to us through statements, through gathering of evidence, once it meets a threshold of the criteria, which the one thing, I guess, the easiest to describe, as soon as it's an abduction, there's strangers, sexual assault, there's strangers, a homicide, the major offenses that mean that there's a standard for the province where criminal investigation branches, police services have to have timelines on getting investigations done. Roles are assigned where you have case managers, lead investigators, people organizing the file for court. All those fit when the criteria is there, and we did that right away.